Guangzhou want.Our Automobile Technology Company Limited was established in 2014, located in Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province. It is a high-tech enterprise integrating production and sales, focusing on car modification parts. Our office building covers an area of 800 square meters, and our factory covers an area of 3,000 square meters. The company has a strong scientific and technological research and development strength professional team. Rigorous management, advanced technology. Our products have passed ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification, and we have many product and technology patents. Guangzhou want.Our Automobile Technology Company Limited has its own brand, EDDYSTAR. Our main products include car racing seat, sports short spring, sports shock absorbers, high-flow air filter, cold air intake, brake system, and other car modification parts. A wide range of product and car models provides you with more choices. Dedicated sales team and designers can give you professional pre-sales service and excellent after-sales service. Meanwhile, we support customization. Tell us your ideas, and we will design products to meet your needs. Our company insists on the principle of people-oriented and customer prior, based on China and going to the world. We are a reliable supplier of the racing product supply with 2 years warranty. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.